Hi! In this video we are going to find out how long it takes me to create a stained glass piece. My name is Wadi Allen. I am a stained glass artist based in Argentina, which is a bit of a challenge in itself. And as someone that works full-time and is trying to do content on the side, I hope you find this vlog inspiring. It's 10:50. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first and foremost, let's find out what colors are we going to be using for this Art Nouveau inspired stained glass pattern that I've designed. I actually based this pattern on a real piece of jewelry, which was amazing, and I am really into Art Nouveau for stainless. This is the color I have in mind, like for the head, and then I'm going to be using amber, basically, which I have a ton. And there's a lot of amber glass in Argentina, but there's none of these, and I just bought these from China, which aren't the best quality. As you can see, like one side is like very iridescent, but the other one is like not at all. But anyways, it's the best I have right now, and it actually looks pretty, so why to complain? I've been taking pictures of the glasses that I have that I think I'm going to be using, and then I transfer those into Procreate. And what I'm doing is putting them in the background so I can actually project these same colors into the piece and then see if I like them. And if I like them, I think I'm just gonna go for it. Really wanted to include this in the timing of how long does it take me to make a stained glass piece, because I actually want to do this professionally and I need to know how long does it take me from start to finish, and everything adds up a lot of time. Here we have an idea of how it's actually going to be looking, and then I can decide if I like it or if I don't. So far it's what it is and I like it, so we're moving fast here. This is the final look. I am in love. I am very inspired with this style and I am very motivated. It's time to get started actually. In order for me to take the most of this sticker paper, I decomposed my pattern this way so it could fit in a smaller gap, so it's less wasteful. So now what I'm going to be doing is to stick all of this the best way possible, so I also get the most of each color glass, because every glass is super expensive. And so here is where we really want to be careful about being wasteful. When the parts that I want to cut are very small, it's very difficult to cut them in glass. So what I'm gonna be doing is put them all together at first and get the big piece, and then I'm probably going to draw again these on the actual glass with a marker and get the details done. So remember, you want to be doing your cuts not on this part, which has all of these relieve, but on this one, which is flat. Okay, look, it fits so good in here. cutting all of the glass, and I've been getting as close as I can to the shape. Now we're going to be grinding all of the edges, and the reason that why I didn't want to cut them individually in the first place is because grinding can get so difficult with smaller pieces, so this is the best way to go. We're going to be grinding all of the edges, and then we're going to be making the final cuts. And also we want to go with the flow because, you know, I am not an expert, and the reason I'm not an expert is probably, hold on, because this is a very important. The reason why I'm not an expert is because until now I haven't allowed myself to actually change my life and act on my passion. So I've been procrastinating on this, saying that I'm too old to learn, saying that I'm too old for YouTube. And actually, I believe I'm in the right time and I'm allowing myself to learn. It's been a year since I've been doing this, and it's only been a month since I took it seriously. So you don't have to hide yourself even when you're learning, and you don't have to be an expert to get started. And that's why I'm gonna show everything as it goes with all of my flaws and mistakes, so you guys get motivated as I am right now to get started. It's actually harder than I thought to be vlogging every part of a moment. It's 1 p.m. right now. Like, I've been cutting glass for 2 hours. Okay, so now that I have gone through the big picture of the grinding, I am going to change the bit. But in order to change the bit, I need to remove this. It's tricky, I know. And gross. Is this okay? I don't even know. This is not possible. This is not gonna work. Okay. I've got some soap water, and it's 1:51 right now. So now I'm going to go into details and get all of these done. After grinding, I love giving them a nice wash because, you know, it really gets dusty with the grinder. Also, I have an idea of how to do it. I'm going to overlay this. It's 3:41 and we have finished cutting all of the little details. I cannot believe I got here. I am so tired and hungry. I will probably take a break. Okay, I took a 20-30 minute break. I had lunch and now I am going to continue copper foiling and soldering. Well, I've finally got my pattern ready. It's all covered in copper foil. So now it's actually time to solder, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it today. It's 6:30. It took me about 2 hours and a half to copper foil everything, which is a lot of time. So I started at 11 almost. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've been making this stained glass for about 7 hours already. And I still need to solder the entire piece. So I think I'm going to finish this tomorrow but it looks so beautiful. It is so pretty. Delicate, elegant. Let's see how the solder goes. Okay, now it's the next day, and today I am going to finish this beautiful. I'm going to be trying a solder station. Hopefully get a neat and wobbly and perfect soldering.